Introducing the Technica ATH M20X Professional Studio Monitor Headphones in black. These headphones are specifically designed for studio tracking and mixing, featuring advanced build quality and engineering. Equipped with 40mm drivers, rare earth magnets, and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils, these headphones deliver exceptional audio quality. They are specially tuned to provide enhanced low-frequency performance, ensuring every beat is reproduced accurately. The circumaural design contours around your ears, offering excellent sound isolation even in loud environments. The convenient single-side cable exit allows for hassle-free and tangle-free usage. These headphones are magnetized with neodymium, making them ideal for studio tracking and mixing. Please note that these products are designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Experience the power of professional sound quality with the Technica ATH M20X headphones. Get yours today on Amazon.com, where you can enjoy a voluntary 30-day return guarantee. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing.